Here are the 8 steps of purchasing a home with Section 8, your Housing Choice Voucher. I am LaTasha McDowell, your real estate expert. Your first step is to check your eligibility with your local public housing authority or your local HUD office. Also keep this in mind. They will be considering your income versus the size of your family in addition to other rules and regulations they may have. Each public housing authority and or your local HUD office will have different rules, and so it won't be universal, but the basic concept will be if in the event they participate in this program. So back again, check with your public housing authority, your local office. Now, once you're deemed eligible, it's time to obtain your pre-approval for the mortgage. Keep in mind, you can use NACA, N-A-C-A, which is 0 down payment, 0 closing costs, no points, no fees, no private mortgage insurance, or you can use another lender so long as it's not deemed as predatory lending. So now you have your pre-approval, which is great. Now it's time for you to go home shopping, which is amazing. A real estate agent such as myself will help you to find the home that meets the criteria. So the home has to meet the housing quality standards. This can be a single family home, a condominium, or a townhome. Yes, I need to say this. Please stay within your price range. Step 4. You and your real estate agent will work together. You will submit an offer contingent upon the inspection and the appraisal. Inspection, the home has to meet the housing quality standards. That's important. Otherwise, you're not buying anything. Next is the appraisal to make sure it meets the market standards. Providing that the home meets the structural requirements, sanitation requirements, and the appraised value, your mortgage lender will process it to make sure that you clear underwriting, that you meet the financial requirements to be able to purchase this home. And then congratulations, you're clear to close and you're a homeowner. For more information, go to HUD.Gov. You're going to look up the home ownership program through Housing Choice Voucher. You'll also see where you can click to see the different states that participate in the local offices. You can also check to see what fees are required and the different criteria based upon your state. So here is going to be where you're going to go get all the information. So in short, everything that you need to know is here on HUD.Gov. Here's a quick summary. 1, make sure your public housing authority participates with the program. Each and every office will have their own separate requirements. 2, after you determine to be eligible, get your pre-approval and start shopping.